More information on Google's upcoming Pixel 8 series and Pixel Watch 2 is leaking as the October 4 launch event inches near, with the latest leak including more specs and battery sizes. Another series of Pixel pictures, once more displaying the colors and redesigned design, have been leaked by the folks at WinFuture. But all of that has been seen before, and more than once. Having said that, several important facts are made clear and presented here. Additionally, important specifications are confirmed. With a 6.17-inch Full HD 120Hz display, 8 GB of RAM, and either 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, the Pixel 8 has a lot to offer. The Pixel 8 Pro features 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB of storage, in addition to a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display. The use of 128 GB variations strongly suggests that Google would be employing UFS 4.0, a speedier form of storage that has been employed in devices like the OnePlus 11 and Galaxy S23 series, even though Tensor G3 is said to enable UFS 4.0 storage capabilities. The Pixel 8 Pro's 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 ultrawide camera and the 48-megapixel Samsung GM5 behind the 5x telephoto lens are also employed. Other camera specifications are also stated, including the Samsung GN2 50-megapixel primary sensor on both devices. According to the report, the ultrawide lens on the Pixel 8 features a 12-megapixel Sony IMX386 sensor, and both devices also include an 11-megapixel Samsung sensor for the front camera, which had been advertised as a 10.5-megapixel sensor. According to the listed battery capacities for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, which are 4600 MHz and 5100 MHz, respectively, we should expect minor upgrades for both devices. A 306 MHz battery is one of the other Pixel Watch 2 specifications stated. This is significantly more than the 294 MHz battery in the original Pixel Watch, which was previously known. Along with a number of health sensors, a 1.2-inch OLED display, 2 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of storage are also suggested. Much of this has already been known for a while, but WinFuture's solid track record and the timing help solidify what to expect at next week's launch. Also reiterated is pricing at €799 and €1,099 for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro respectively, and €399 for the Pixel Watch 2. What do you guys think of Pixel 8 series? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.